So if your hood keeps closing like this, I'll show you what you need to replace next. So today I'm going to show you how to replace hood struts on a 2014 Hyundai Sonata. You know it's time to replace these when the hood won't stay up on its own, or during the winter time it starts falling down if a light breeze passes by. So we're going to replace these. So one of the first things you're going to want to do is find something to prop the hood up, because you don't want this falling on your head. Especially not while you're working underneath. Just going to put something there just to hold it. You're going to want to get a little flathead screwdriver, and that's going to be used to pop these off. So if you see this, you might actually have to get a smaller one. What you're going to want to do is come in behind here to get these retaining clips and pop them out so that we could actually pop these two on. And the reason why these start going bad is there's actually gas in here, and over time the gas leaks out and then it just doesn't hold the same amount of weight. So you just pop that off. We'll do the same thing at the bottom. Wiggle that back and pop it off. I'm not going to be able to push down on it, but I know this is bad because it won't even hold the hood up. You want to make sure the ones that you're replacing with are the same overall length, and they are, so we're good to go. All right. I'll leave information on these in the description underneath, so if you want to go pick up a pair, you know which ones fit. So now we have these two ball joints that are free. It's a good idea to take this opportunity to lubricate them. If you have a thicker grease, that's usually better. I don't have that available right now, so I'm just using a little bit of silicone. Just want a little bit of lubricant. So we're going to do the same thing in reverse. So I had to get a very narrow screwdriver for this. But effectively, I'm just going to go up underneath there, get that retaining clip to move. Okay. Put that back on. Clips on. Now we're good. Now we need to rotate this to meet up with this. And we're going to want to pop this one out as well. So now that's in there. So we'll move to the other side. So we're going to pop this one off. Do the same thing at the bottom. So there's your old one. Again, same overall length. Put this new one on. Gotta move this clip. There we go, it's on. Take the top. Make that open up a little easier. Just turns. We're just moving that retaining clip out of the way. Going up on that ball joint. And make sure the clip goes back in. We should be good to go. So now, since we've replaced it, you can watch it. The hood will actually pick itself up. You'll see that even when I put the hood down here, the hood will actually pick itself up. It won't fall down on my head. So now it's safe to do other repairs. If you found this video useful, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.